Pitot tube is used to measure. Strong choice. Velocity is the right answer. Pascal second is the unit of. Sharp thinking. Dynamic viscosity is the right choice. What is the following fluid? Nice selection. Gas or liquid is the correct and valid answer. What is the prefix for 1021? Bravo, zeta is the answer. The capillary rise is due to. Nicely done. Both cohesion and adhesion is a solid answer. Reciprocating pump is dash. Excellent choice. Displacement pump is the right answer. Barometer is used to measure. Nice work. You chose atmospheric pressure, and it is correct. Coefficient of discharge is. You chose actual discharge, a theoretical discharge. And it is correct. Buoyant forces always act. Good job. Your answer upwards works well here. Types of modeling approach. Perfect. All of the above is the correct choice. A material that flows is a. On track. Fluid is the correct answer. Hydraulic lift is based on. Great thinking. Pascal's law is the right choice. Priming is not required in. Correct. Reciprocating pumps is the right answer. Friction factor depends on. Clear logic. Your choice, all of above, is sound and 100% true. Fluids exert pressure dash. You got it. Your choice evenly in all directions is right. Loss is maximum in dash. Exactly. Sudden expansion makes sense and it is right choice. Minor losses occur due to. Valid point. All of the above is true. The unit M3 is a unit of. Smart move. Volume is an accurate answer. Study of fluids in motion. Well reasoned. Hydrodynamics is the correct choice. The unit of viscosity is. Right again, kg/sec meter is a valid answer. Definition of density is. Great job. Mass per unit volume is the accurate answer. Density is measured in. Right choice. Kilograms per cubic meter is the best answer. Unit of surface tension. Well done. NDM is the right choice. Mass per unit volume is. Excellent. Density is a brilliant choice. An example for dilatant. Good thinking. Conch. Sugar solution is the right answer. Coupling between faces. Solid response. All of the above is a valid choice. Water dragon lift. Smart pick. Dynamic fluid forces is the correct choice. Convert 2.2 bar to pa. Correct response. 0.22 mompa is the most accurate answer. Gases have no definite. Well picked. All of these is the correct answer. What causes drag force? You're right. Motion through a fluid is the correct answer. A joule kg is a unit of. Nicely done. Mass is a solid answer. Course instructor name. Smart move. Saddam Hussein is an accurate answer. Hisai unit for time is. Valid point. Second is true. Unit for Newton N is on track. KGMS2 is the correct answer. In Darcy's law is well reasoned. The hydraulic conductivity is the correct choice. Unit of mass density. Clear logic. Your choice, KGM3, is sound and 100% true. Reynolds number 4000. Nice work. You chose transition flow, and it is correct. SI unit for pressure. Strong choice. Pascal is the right answer. Stoke is the unit of correct. Kinematic viscosity is the right answer. What is more viscose? Exactly. Tomato sauce makes sense and it is right choice. 1 centipoise is equal to dash. Well done. U.1 Siemens 2 is the right choice. Francis turbine is. You're right. Radial flow reaction turbine is the correct answer. Convert 100 semeptum. Excellent. WMM is a brilliant choice. Displacement means. You got it. Your choice to move aside is right. Pelton wheel is a. Right again. Tangential flow turbine is a valid answer. Turbulent flow is. Well picked. Unsteady and irregular is the correct answer. Fluids consist of. Solid response. Gases and liquids is a valid choice. What is density? Right choice. Mass per unit volume is the best answer. 67x104. Good thinking. 4.28x104m3 is the right answer. Ideal fluid has. Great thinking. Zero viscosity is the right choice. Laminar flow is. Nice selection. Steady and regular is the correct and valid answer. All fluids are. Sharp thinking. Gases or liquids is the right choice. Weight density. Smart pick. Specific gravity is the correct choice. Fluids include. Great job. Liquids and gas is the accurate answer. 1 2 equal to dash kg. You chose 10phi5, and it is correct. What is SAFT? Correct response. Computational fluid dynamics is the most accurate answer. Bravo. P364 with is the answer. Fluids are. Perfect. Gases or liquids is the correct choice. Pressure equal to. Excellent choice. Forces area is the right answer. Phi cm. Good job. Your answer 10 cm works well here. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Nicely done. Contact Narayan Changder is a solid answer.